Ever run your hand through your hair and have a little too much hair left on your palm? Me too. So in this video, I'm partnering with Hims to bring you 3 easy ways to prevent hair loss and promote confidence. What's up? It's David K, aka Threadability, and before we jump into any sort of hairy story, make sure you like and subscribe so we can stay connected. I am so excited to get a chance to work with Hims and show you what their products can do. About a year ago, I almost ordered my own set because I felt like I was losing a few too many strands just styling my hair, combing it, brushing it, blow drying it. I was getting a little nervous, but I stopped myself because I was embarrassed and because I had convinced myself that, I had a full head of hair. There was nothing wrong with it. The only person that I told this to was my hairstylist, and he sort of placated me by telling me that my hair was thick, the shedding was normal, but I'd be lying if I said it wasn't on the top of my mind, both the hair and the thought of losing it. My dad was bald by my age, so I had ultimately convinced myself that I had escaped the trap somehow. But the actual truth is that about 66% of men lose their hair before age 35, according to the American Hair Loss Association. So why not start preventing it before that actually happens? That's where Hims steps in. Let's talk about 3 ways to prevent hair loss and promote that confidence with Hims that I've started this month. 1, Minoxidil drops. 2, Thickening Shampoo. And 3, Biotin Gummy Vitamins. And if you stick around, I'll throw in a bonus option. First, let's talk about Minoxidil. It's not actually as intimidating as it sounds. After doing some research and looking up what Hims has online, it's actually a topical solution that you apply that promotes hair growth and the shedding of old hairs. It helps relax blood cells so you can get that flow to your scalp. You're probably wondering why we'd want to promote hair shedding. That's literally the problem we just talked about. I know. Hair shedding is pretty normal in the growth cycle, and Minoxidil promotes that full hair growth cycle by allowing your hair to grow to the maximum length before shedding. We just want to reduce that stress-induced hair loss that isn't a part of the normal cycle and actually causes your follicles to go dormant, resulting in a major loss of confidence. You can read up on this more down below. All you have to do is apply a little bit 2 times a day to the area that you feel like the hair loss is most prevalent. This has probably been the most evident change to my routine, but I'm starting to see some results and I'll update you as I continue to use it. Number 2, let's make it even easier with the shampoo. Let me first say that Hims is making self-care so much easier and less embarrassing. Using their products allows you to not have to broadcast to the world that you're afraid of losing your hair. Unlike what I am doing right now. They literally made this one as easy as shampooing your hair regularly. The shampoo fits right into your normal hair washing routine to help make your hair look thicker. What I really love is that Hims is providing information on preventative hair loss and thickening shampoo ingredients for what you should try and what's really not worth the hype. I just started using the shampoo in my normal weekly washing routine, and I'm starting to notice some of that thickening effect, so I'll let you know how it goes. All right, we made it to the last one and probably the most fun, the gummy vitamins. Tell me that as an adult, you haven't missed those childhood gummy vitamins. That's what I thought. Hims provides these gummy vitamins that are formulated with biotin and other vitamins that promote healthy hair growth and a healthy scalp. Some of that hair loss and weakening could be due to insufficient vitamin intake and dietary deficiencies. The vitamins help support that vitamin intake and are actually pretty fun to take, so why not do that to boost your confidence and prevent the hair loss? Okay, here's that bonus I was talking about. If you're not sure that non-prescription products are gonna be enough, you can connect with a medical professional on forhims.com and go through a process to see if Finasteride is right for you. They make it really easy to connect with a medical provider. All you have to do is click through a few questions and then get connected to one. All right, recap. So the 3 ways that Hims is helping you prevent hair loss and promote confidence is through Minoxidil drops, thickening hair shampoo, and vitamin gummies. You know that a lot of what I do is all about developing that self-confidence through style, but also through self-care. And what I love most is that Hims is taking away that stigma of self-care. We don't have to wait till we're in trouble to ask for help. Men are, in fact, supposed to take care of ourselves, and Hims is helping us do that in a discreet and confidential way. I partnered with Hims because I believe in feeling confident and taking care of yourself through more than just style. You can head to forhims.com, link down below, to check out their offer. If a medical provider approves you, you can try the Hims Power Pack for 90 days risk-free. Make sure that you check out their full website for details and safety concerns. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and connect with me on Instagram. Again, thank you to Hims, and I hope that this was an educational opportunity so we can talk about another element of confidence that isn't just style. I'll catch you next time.